I'm excited because one of my favorite guys in the whole world, Dan O'Toole, who is really bringing forward the ability for us to not have to deal with the service trucks and everything else, and bringing delivery. Look at, we all know the story from watching the show around ARAI, and I think no one can tell that story better than Dan O'Toole. And of course, we've brought his podcast to the universe here. And I think the other piece of this thing is, if you can think in terms of him being such a visionary leader, he's got 37 years of entrepreneurial experience, and now we've got a ton of people working for ARAI, and we've got now kind of this enter into the new paradigm of delivery and everything else. Dan, good to see you, man. I want you to take through, for people who haven't heard you in a few weeks, take us through again sort of what you guys are all about, because it's really exciting stuff. And despite what the valuation looks like with the market, which is happening with a lot of smaller cap stocks, where the value does not reflect what's actually going on with the business, despite that, the business is really making some leaps and bounds. Talk about that a little bit.
Yeah. Hey, good seeing you guys. Thanks for having me on.
Good to see you, Dan.
Where do I begin? You said I've been an entrepreneur for 37 years. It feels like 38, man. It's a heck of a ride every day. You never know, no 2 days are the same. But ARAI, Arrive AI, what we're doing is we are at the intersection of autonomy and AI. We're leveraging a new delivery paradigm of unattended or asynchronous delivery. Right now, in this new autonomous world that we're all living in with drones, robots, unmanned vehicle, two things always have to happen. Whatever the delivery node is has to be there to meet you, and you have to be there to meet that. What if we could provide the oil of the ecosystems, or the ecosystem, unlock autonomy? That's Arrive AI. We have our own Arrive points that we strategically put out anywhere a mailbox would be, anywhere a route could be, inside of a institution, hospital, campus, whatever. And we just allow everything to happen in its own motion. Nobody's waiting. Everything keeps moving because we are giving slack to the system. Drop it off, pick it up at an Arrive point. Things keep happening.
Hey, Dan, can you?
Go ahead, man.
Oh, I was going to say, I want to talk about this press release that it was talking about this autonomous drone pharmacy delivery program. I know we've talked about something similar before, but talk about this pharmacy program. I between my two daughters and me, we've got meds coming to us in different ways, and I just wanted to hear about where you're at with this.
No, thanks. We just announced that today. Lifespan, Cardon. It's a local set up here in the greater Indianapolis area. They've got about 20 locations, pharmacies, nursing homes, and they see the vision of what we're doing. Chain of custody, heated and cooled cargo area, all those kind of things are really paramount when you're dealing with high priority, high valued items. And they see the vision. In fact, they were the pioneers in online pharmacy and pharmaceutical delivery, and to have them see what we're doing and actually reach out to us to put this use case forward is exciting to us. And we just announced that this morning, so it's great to be on your show and talking about that.
Hey, Dan. So there's a couple of things that make this thing extremely attractive, and I talk to people all the way, all from market makers to family offices to our audience about it. There's a massive end market here, and the software and AI scale. Once this is the wall of software and AI scale, once this is built, is pretty insane. I mean, even a small slice of logistics and last mile delivery is huge. I mean, if you think about retailers, e-commerce players, carriers everywhere, they want to cut loose their cost for packaging, but they also want to maintain speed and reliability. That's a big key component for you, along with the AI. Explain that a little bit for us.
Yeah. Hey, the market in the U.S. just in addresses, 170 million addresses. That grows by 4,000 new addresses every single day. If we had 1% of that market, that's a $3.5 billion revenue opportunity for this company. So it's huge. And what we're seeing is the market doesn't want 3 Arrive points of different manufacturers or distributors or retailers in front of the home or business. You're not going to have an Amazon, a Walmart, a Google. You're going to have one that's platform agnostic, universal to everybody. It's kind of like the horizontal charging network that is now the Tesla supercharger network. When Ford had their own EV network, GM had their own, and Tesla, say each one of those had 10,000 units out. they only had 10,000. But when the network went horizontal and they standardized on Tesla, now everybody has access to 30,000. That's the same thing we're promoting and holding up here right now. Ubiquity. If you had a Ford and a GM and you had one garage, you couldn't even have a standardization there. We are the standard. We're welcoming to every shipper and delivery. You're not tied to anybody else's innovation curve. You're tied to the overall network, and that's us. And this is what's happening. It's going to happen.
Dan, I think there's also a bull case with respect to AI routing and logistics software, having a classic sort of SAS model, but the fact that you're creating a best practices to where customers incrementally are using the same codes, the same cloud infrastructure, and then they can drive the margins using you guys as best in class service. Do you think that's going to be part of the model for you guys, is licensing some of this out once you capture the market?
Absolutely. We're looking at everything, man. We're licensing, we're building in some areas our own end-to-end solution just to spark and ignite what we're doing. In others, we're collaboratively working. Our North Star is 100% interoperability between drones, robots, unmanned vehicles, conventional. We're going to be the welcome mat to every use case in the world, every home and business, every shipment will start and end at an arrive point.
Hey, Dan, speaking of, so you have the arrive point. One of my biggest issues is the returns also, because I've got a car full of packages for UPS, USP, Amazon, FedEx. I've got all the different places I have to go. It takes me like 4 hours to get them all done. Is the vision to also have this be if I could leave the package in there and have it delivered out for me as well?
Hey, Mary, it's all about convenience. It's all about
for me,
you.
right? I know.
Right?
I should be on the board.
You should be. You should be. A corny phrase I came up with: a shipping store at your door. Every arrive point has reverse logistics built in.
Yes.
Reverse logistics returns is literally a $1 trillion market here in the U.S. alone. It's huge. You don't have to go to Whole Foods, Kohl's, UPS store anymore. Just go to your arrive point, wherever you have that on your property. Drop it in. It's all app driven. Populates your last recent purchases. Pick the item you want to send back. It alerts Amazon, dispatches UPS or whatever the frontline shipper is based on urgency and price. The item gets picked up. You don't have to print a label. You don't have to find your receipt.
Whoa.
You get your credit back. It's all great. And that's what we're doing. A lot of times, Mary, I use e-commerce a lot. Doing what I do, I order every day. And sometimes I'll be thinking, where did this item, whatever happened to this thing I ordered? And, I find out who I ordered it from. Half the time I can't remember. Then I find it and I say,
Yeah, right.
The order was canceled. I didn't even know that.
Yeah.
What if you had all of your commerce aggregated to one point? That's our app.
Wow.
And you could look in real time and see the status of everything, return things, all that good stuff.
Well, you're going to start seeing Dan again here on a regular basis. And of course, you can catch this podcast by going to their website, and then Mary's helping out distribute that thing. But there's so much optionality here. There's so many layers to this that it's only going to mean that our lives are going to change for the better because of you guys. Thanks so much, Dan. I appreciate it.
Dan
Thanks, guys.
O'Toole, Arrive AI, ticker symbol ARAI, arriveai.com, and find their podcast, The Dan Show, anywhere you stream podcasts. We love Dan.